Being stuck in the rat race means being trapped in a never-ending cycle of working tirelessly to meet financial commitments and maintain a certain standard of living without making significant progress towards financial independence or personal fulfillment. It describes the feeling of being caught up in the daily grind of working long hours, paying bills and expenses, with little time or energy left for pursuing other interests or achieving long-term financial goals. Avoid the following 5 traps to escape the rat race. Number 1. Overspending and consumer debt. By consistently overspending and relying on credit cards or loans, the middle class end up in a cycle of accumulating consumer debt. This debt often comes with high interest rates, making it difficult to pay off quickly. This burden of debt keeps the middle class in a constant struggle to catch up and repay what they owe. According to an article on CBS News, 3/4 of middle-income Americans reported their earnings are not enough to pay for their cost of living. Overspending and consumer debt often lead to a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle, where the middle class rely on every paycheck to cover their expenses and debt obligations. This leaves little to no room for saving or investing, as the majority of income goes towards debt repayment, bills, and maintaining a certain standard of living. The presence of consumer debt and overspending creates a state of financial insecurity. The middle class are always at risk of falling behind on payments, facing penalties or collection actions, or experiencing unexpected financial emergencies. This constant financial stress prolongs their need to stay in the rat race, working tirelessly to meet financial commitments and maintain a basic level of financial stability. Also, overspending and consumer debt limit their financial flexibility and choices. With a significant portion of income allocated towards debt repayment, the middle class have less freedom to pursue opportunities like career changes, starting a business, or investing in education or training that could potentially lead to higher income or improved financial prospects. Breaking free from these habits and finding a clear balance between spending, saving, investing, and debt management is critical for escaping the rat race cycle and achieving long-term financial stability and success. To get started, evaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Develop a plan to pay off high-interest consumer debt as soon as you can. Number 2. Not saving and investing. Without saving and investing, the middle class often end up missing out on opportunities to grow wealth over time. Saving allows for the accumulation of money, while investing enables the potential for higher returns. By neglecting these activities, the middle class remains dependent on their employment income only, limiting their ability to break free from the rat race. Saving serves as a safety net during financial emergencies and unexpected expenses. Without adequate savings, the middle class remains financially defenseless, leading to constantly struggling to cover unexpected costs. This, in turn, continues the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and prevents the middle class from achieving true financial security. Failing to save and invest for retirement keeps the middle class dependent on employment income well into their later years. Without a well-funded retirement portfolio, they remain trapped in the rat race, unable to enjoy a comfortable and financially free retirement. The absence of long-term financial planning hinders their ability to break free from the cycle. Investing offers the potential for generating passive income streams, such as dividends, royalties, rental properties, or interest from investments. By not taking advantage of these opportunities, the middle class limit themselves to relying only on active income from their jobs. This restricts their ability to earn money passively, leading to the need to be actively employed for much longer periods. The lack of savings and investments hinders the middle class from pursuing their dreams and passions. To break free from the middle class rat race, it is important to prioritize saving and investing. By creating a habit of regular automated saving, working on a retirement plan, and researching investment opportunities, the middle class can create a path towards a more fulfilling and prosperous future. Number 3. Relying on just employment income. The middle class's great dependence on employment income presents several dangers that can contribute to the rat race cycle. Relying only on employment income leaves the middle class at risk of the ups and downs of the job market. During economic recessions or company downsizing, the loss of a job can have devastating consequences, plunging the middle class into financial instability. According to a recent article on CNBC, 3 of the largest employers in the U.S. laid off well over 100,000 employees, and these layoffs are expected to continue. Employment income often has limitations on earning potential, with annual raises and promotions typically being gradual. Without additional income streams, the middle class find it difficult to increase their earnings significantly, making it harder to break free from the rat race and achieve financial freedom. Dependence on a single source of income, namely employment, lacks diversification. If this income stream diminishes or disappears, the middle class face significant financial problems. Diversifying income through investments, side businesses, or passive income streams provides a buffer against such risks. Relying on employment income only can lead to limited control over one's time and priorities. Working long hours, overtime, or being tied to a demanding job limits personal freedom and restricts opportunities to pursue other interests, personal growth, or spending quality time with loved ones. Depending on employment income can create a tendency to remain in a comfort zone, potentially hindering career advancement and personal development. Without exploring other career paths or taking calculated risks, the middle class may find themselves stuck in jobs that provide limited opportunities for growth, salary increases, or professional fulfillment. Also, depending only on employment income for retirement savings can lead to insufficient funds in the later years. With increasing life expectancy and rising costs of living, the middle class may find themselves financially unprepared for retirement, forcing them to continue working longer or compromising their quality of life during their golden years. To break free from the rat race, it is important for the middle class to seek opportunities beyond employment income. Exploring areas such as investments, passive income streams, entrepreneurship, or acquiring new skills can provide the financial freedom and flexibility necessary to escape the cycle and achieve long-term financial success. Warren Buffett is quoted as saying, "Never depend on single income. Make investment to create a second source." Number 4, lack of financial education. Without a good understanding of personal finance, the middle class are likely to make poor financial decisions that hinder their progress towards financial freedom. They may struggle with budgeting, not prioritize saving and investing, or fall victim to predatory financial products and services. These decisions can lead to excessive debt, inadequate savings, and limited wealth accumulation. Financial education provides insights into various wealth-building strategies like investing, how to allocate assets, and risk management. Without this knowledge, the middle class may miss out on opportunities to grow their wealth, as they may lack the awareness of the power of compound interest or fail to diversify their investments. Financial education can equip the middle class with the skills to develop strong financial plans. Without this knowledge, they may fail to set clear financial goals, create an emergency fund, or plan for retirement. The absence of proper financial planning limits their ability to make informed decisions, creates uncertainty about their financial future, and prolongs the rat race cycle. The lack of financial education leaves the middle class at risk of scams and predatory financial practices. They may fall victim to high-interest loans, get trapped in debt cycles, or make uninformed investment decisions. This destroys their financial stability, keeping them in the rat race longer. Financial education can provide the middle class with negotiation skills that can be beneficial when dealing with various financial issues, such as salary negotiations, loan terms, or investment opportunities. Without these skills, they may struggle to maximize their income potential, secure favorable terms, or make informed financial decisions that could accelerate their progress towards financial independence. By empowering themselves with financial knowledge, seeking resources, attending workshops or seminars, or working with financial advisors can help the middle class make better financial decisions, establish strong financial plans, and develop the necessary skills to achieve long-term financial success and escape the rat race. Number 5, investing in liabilities versus income-producing assets. The middle class often prioritize acquiring liabilities, such as expensive cars, luxury items, or larger houses, which provide immediate gratification but do not generate income. By allocating a significant portion of their financial income towards these liabilities, they divert funds away from investments that could generate passive income and help them break free from the rat race. Investing in liabilities drains financial resources and limits the ability to accumulate wealth. Rather than directing funds towards income-producing assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses, the middle class find themselves continuously working hard to afford and maintain their liabilities. These cause them to struggle in building a solid financial foundation. Owning liabilities often comes with ongoing financial commitments, such as high maintenance costs, large loan payments, or depreciation. These commitments create a greater need for active income to cover the expenses, leaving little room for saving, investing, or pursuing other income-generating opportunities. Investing in income-producing assets, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or businesses, can generate passive income and create a path towards financial independence. However, by neglecting these opportunities in favor of liabilities, the middle class miss out on the potential to establish multiple streams of income that can gradually free them from the rat race. Liabilities tend not to appreciate in value or provide long-term financial security. Instead, they often depreciate in value and require ongoing expenses for maintenance. By spending money on liabilities, the middle class fail to build a portfolio that can generate ongoing income, leaving them financially exposed and dependent on active employment income. To break free from the rat race, the middle class have to shift their mindset and prioritize investing in income-producing assets. By redirecting resources towards assets that generate passive income and appreciate in value over time, they can begin to build wealth, create financial security, and eventually achieve financial independence. The middle class often find themselves stuck in the rat race due to these common habits that hinder their financial progress. By overspending and piling up consumer debt, relying on only employment income, investing in liabilities rather than income-producing assets, not saving or investing, and not investing in financial education, the middle class prolong the cycle of financial stress, limit opportunities for wealth accumulation, and hinder their financial freedom. To break free from the rat race, it is critical that the middle class work on better money habits like budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Additionally, acquiring financial education and seeking professional guidance can empower them to make informed decisions, prioritize long-term financial goals, and help them achieve the financial independence they desire. Comment below which one of these middle-class habits stood out to you, and check out my other videos on money habits. Like the video and subscribe.